So, how old were you when you realized that the idiomatic expression break a leg is not actually a bad wish, but a good one? Break a leg as an idiomatic expression means good luck, or it is used to wish somebody success in exams or someone who is trying out something new. Maybe someone wants to invent something. You can tell the person, break a leg. That is good luck to whatever you want to do. That is, you're trying to tell the person, good luck in your new endeavor or in your new involvement in something. Maybe someone is kind of applying for a contract. You can tell the person, break a leg. That is good luck. So break a leg does not actually mean how it sounds. The meaning is different from how it sounds. So next time, I hope you realize that when somebody tells you break a leg, that person is not trying to insult you. When someone tells you break a leg, that person is not trying to insult you. That person is actually wishing you good luck in what you are doing. Or maybe you are even traveling. Someone can just tell you break a leg. That is successful trip, safe journey. It's the same thing. So you don't misunderstand that person or you'll be thrown off balance. No. When someone tells you break a leg, you tell the person, thank you. See you next time. Peace.